OK Cleaning Services. Today I've got a good job in South Weald, a window cleaning job, and then from there I want to do a pressure washing job in Upminster, picking my partner up at Upminster station on the way through, and then she'll come with me to when we're doing the pressure washing job, so we'll see you then. Yeah, this is the house I'm going to be cleaning today. Nice big one in South Weald. So I'm not going to be able to film this one though, so because they're a little bit funny, so that's fair enough. So I'll crack on, do this one, and then get on the pressure washing job in Upminster. We'll do some filming on that one. Right, that's the window cleaning job all complete. Now on to the pressure washing job. Go and pick the missus up and then crack on, do that one, and then off home. She's just got out off the drain. Oh dear.
Oh, this is so uncomfortable.
Oh no, I got me water butts in it. Right, let's go get some petrol and then we'll crack on.
Okay.
Right, this is the back we're going to be doing today. Nice big patio, comes round the side, and then down here, down the steps here, and then round the side here, round the back to this section here. That's it. What a beautiful garden, look at that. Right, all done.
Yes.
Come up nice. Innit, babe? Yeah, it's come up nice, so it's just drying off now. Got a treatment on it, and yeah, it's looking good. It is looking good, so yeah. Show you down the steps. Come down here, you can see it's a lot cleaner. It took us about just over 2 hours this one. Look back here. And a bit of the brickwork, well, all the brickwork for her. Yeah, a little bit round the corner here. So job done. Go home now and have a nice beer, I think. Yeah, as you can see, you should be happy with that. Yeah. Right, we'll see you on the next one. Say ta-da, darling.
See you on the next one.
Oh, nearly fell over. Yeah, take care, and we'll see you when we're back out again, hopefully within the next week or two. Right, take care. See ya.